Standard gutters have no cover and are used to collect water from the roof. Unfortunately, with rain comes dead leaves that will eventually clog your gutter if left unattended. Luckily enough, there is one thing you can do: install gutter protection. Installing gutter protection will prevent dead leaves and debris from going inside the rain gutters, which in turn means that you practically no longer need to clean them. If your rain gutters are not equipped with gutter protection, debris will accumulate and over time they will get clogged. Water won't get drained efficiently and will eventually seep into the roof and fascia board, thereby causing water infiltration issues. Furthermore, water may even overflow, causing damage to your plant beds and home foundations. Moreover, in the winter, without gutter protection, snow and ice will fill your rain gutters and bend them out of shape during freeze-thaw activity. However, if you have installed gutter protection, none of that will happen. Snow and ice will remain on top of the gutter, letting water flow slowly during the spring thaw. It's also fair to say that gutter protection will extend the service life of your gutters. And don't forget insects. They always find their way in. As clogged gutters come with standing water, it's the perfect spot for insects to lay their eggs. Vermin, birds, and rodents also tend to join in the fun. Here again, with gutter protection, there is no standing water. Thus, the proliferation of insects is also avoided. As the gutter is covered by gutter protection, rodents can't get inside either. All in all, in addition to preventing debris and dead leaves from getting inside the gutter, gutter protection requires much less maintenance. It will keep your gutters in good condition as well, even during winter, and help you avoid water infiltration in the roof and foundations. Finally, gutter protection will extend the service life of your rain gutters and leave you worry-free.